Hey, what's up gamers? Welcome back to a brand new video. So yes, I'm finally back, but this time I am back with another new game that I just found that I just played a little bit. Of course not that much I've been playing this game. You can just say I just downloaded it and yeah, it's looked really nice. I see the sun and this is Earth. And yes, I'm playing Solar Smash. I am actually new. I'm guessing this is Earth. Of course this is Earth. And that's the sun back there. And I have these buttons that I don't know what to do with, and I have so many buttons that I don't even know where to start. I like this squid. You guys see this squid little thingy? I'm gonna click it. Oh wow, what are these? Um, that's an alien. That's an alien for you guys. There are three aliens to be honest. I really don't like this one. Oh, I just click on him. So go. Why is not attacking it? Do I need to tap? It did nothing. Oh, never mind. It definitely did something. Ooh. Yep, that's alien for you guys. Can I send more than one? No? Oh yes, I can definitely send more than one. Can I zoom out? Zoom even more out? Nah, it's just this. Where is he? He's all the way back and they're just back. Ew, I don't like worms. Can I? What is this? Reset the planet. Not now. Not now. What is this? These are planets, I guess. Ooh, they have. What is machine world? This one? Machine world. So they have Earth, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn. What is that one? Game Machine world, Transformers, Rose, Hades, and custom planet. I don't know what custom planet means, but okay. But I know for a fact Jupiter and wait, I just clicked on also what the oh my god. So okay, I didn't know if you just click on the planet right here. So so I was saying Jupiter and Saturn. I know for a fact these are gas giants. Gas giant. I don't know why can I say that wish. What the fuck? I can't talk in English. Why? I don't know. So I was saying Jupiter and Saturn are fat two gas giants. Yes, these are two gas giants. Saturn. I just click on Saturn. Can I go to Saturn now? I really wanna. So there is the rings. I like it. And yes, there was another mode that I saw in the what you call it? The menu, I guess. I guess I know these are gas giants. I don't know how much these effects gonna do that do to a gas giant because they are just gas. They are actually just made of gas. And shut up! Oh my god. So as I was saying, these are gas giants. I don't know how much any of these abilities are gonna do to a gas giant, but okay. And they have the little rings, and I have my worm equipped. Let's just send a worm to it. I like how the fact I didn't even complete destroying that, and I'm already at Saturn. I just love that bat. He's just going over the rings. I thought he was gonna eat the rings, but he just left the rings. Oh no, wait, maybe. Where is he? Oh, okay, he's so far away. What is this one? What is this? Is that a moon? That's a moon hitting Earth right there. Let's go over to Earth, I guess. Earth. Can we actually send a moon to Earth? If we can, oh my god. Hello? Is there a moon around here? And why am I zoomed into the Earth? Oh gosh, there's the moon. There's the moon hitting the Earth. And 3, 2, 1, he hit it. Oh, I didn't even realize that it said how many people are alive. Currently, there are 7 billion people alive right now, and I killed almost 1 billion people. Not 1 million, 1 billion people. By just hitting the moon. Wait a second. No, I don't want to reset a planet. I want to go over to the Jupiter. Let's just go over to the Jupiter. Wait a second. Did I just see? Wait. I want just launching moon at the earth right now. What the balls? Let's check it. I know. Oh, missing a missing. Okay. Yeah, that was the thing. It's just a gas giant. Yeah, as I said, it's a gas giant. So I don't know how much the effect you know my abilities are gonna do to a gas giant, but we can try and I can just launch. Can I launch more than one? I'm just tapping everywhere. Okay, I can definitely launch more than one Earth. I launched like couple hundreds or so. Why there are only two? Can I only send two? I'm just gonna click bunch of times over here. Let's see. Did I send more than two? No, I did not. I am clicking so many times that I don't even know how I'm doing it. Let's send more than two, please. No, it seems like I can only send two per slot, I guess. So, yeah, I guessing. Up there is the going to Saturn. So let's check out the UFO. Okay, maybe later. Okay, maybe this one also later. Okay, everyone. These three bleeding. I think I might need to check them later. I need to destroy some planets. This is not really what I want. Wait a second. Did the Jupiter get smaller? Yeah, it was this big. When I last saw it, it was like half of the. It was like this much gone. Am I just? I think I might be just dreaming. I think there's nothing going on. Let's go over to Earth. Yo, what's up, Earth? Let's send. What is this? What is that? I can. What? I have no words for this. I literally have no words. I don't have a word to say. I'm just gonna reset it. What the fuck, dude? What is that? I can. Fine. I'm gonna see you guys when I'm at the System Smash. I will see you back there. So I am at the main menu now. So I was playing. Currently, I was on the Planet Smash. It says it right here. And the System Smash. Like I clicked. Let's see. Why are they just black balls? Okay, there's a freaking whole solar system around here. Let's see if I can know some of the planets. But it just says the name under them, so I really can't do anything. Hey, Jupiter. I wanna see the Saturn. Does the Saturn? It does. Okay, I see it. I see the big meme. I'm not gonna say it, but I see it. I'm not gonna say the word, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that. This. Oh, I can move the. Oh, I can move these. I didn't know. I was just clicking it, and I decided to move it somehow. I'm moving this one. Can I move the sun? Can I move the sun? I'm not gonna say the name. I'm not gonna say it. Okay. No chance that I'm saying this. I will be back in a moment. Okay, guys, I'm back. My cat almost jumped out of the window, so yeah, I had to fix that. And where is, you know what I mean? I just launched it somewhere. I don't know where it is now. Oh no, I suddenly hit Mars. Can I bust the Mars into Earth? I'm gonna try that. Come on. Why is it so hard to hit Earth? Get hit already. Did I hit it? I guess I hit the moon because moon is like, nah fam. The moon is like, you know what? I'm out of here. Oh no, I accidentally. Never mind, I'm just gonna leave that. So, can I move the sun? What if I just launch the sun out of here? Where's the sun go? Yo, sun. Can it just okay. Achievement. Wait, I didn't get achievements? There's achievements. And yes, I played a little bit. So Smash, you can see already. I played a little bit. Quite a little bit, to be honest. Okay, now where is my ability that I just did? Whatever did I just do? Where is that? I can't find it. Is it this one? No. Destroy a planet with the sun? How did I do that? Oh, maybe I launched, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I launched unit. Almost said it. I almost said it, but never mind. I'm not saying it again. Maybe I launched it into the sun, but I launched the moon. Oh, not the moon. The sun out here. Oh, yep. The solar system is broken. Look at the rings. They're all just yonking. What does it mean? I don't know. Let's just. What is these? What are these three buttons? Is this a? They're not moving. I see there's a stop button. What is this one? Does it do anything? But is this about this one? Okay, let's move. Let's make it move faster. I don't know any of these. Oh my god, I'm such a dummy. I'm just gonna start Saturn flying into the. Okay, Martin, you're almost dead. Let's reset the solar system. No, yes, solar system. What I mean to say? Yo, we have the sun back and everything is back in place. So I can do this stuff around here now. What are these? These are just meteors. What did it do? I need to zoom in now. I'm gonna hurt you guys now. Can I hurt you guys? Wait, why am not no knowing? I'm gonna hurt your eyes now. You feel the pain yet? Do you want me to get closer? You feel the pain? Okay, sorry, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not that, evil. Oh no! I accidentally launched the sun out of here. You're not gonna move anywhere, son. You're staying there forever, rest of your life. Stop. Stop time. Can I just spam these? Can I just not just... Can I pick only one? Hey, no, man. Right? Hey, can I only put one? No, I can put more than one. However... What is in the world of hell is going on? I don't even know. I need to zoom out a little. And yes, my charger is... Okay. My charger is not totally fixed, but it's kind of fixed. So I can record some videos and play some games and just watch some videos. Not really what I need, what I like to do that much, but okay, whatever. Where is, okay, there is there is him. There is, okay, fine, I'm not gonna look at it. Look. I don't want any of those memes. I don't want any of those memes. No memes for that one. You can say, I don't want to get rainy sound. What? I don't know what I did. I don't know what I said, but okay, fine. I'm just destroying Venus by just hitting this asteroid belt. Why did I make the sound of it? I don't know. And I'm just gonna launch it at the... You come back here. You come back here, Venus. You go back to the sun. Stop it, you freaking Venus. Bye-bye, Venus. Can I... What is this? This is the fire emoji and this has the ice emoji. Can I launch it at the... Oh, I can... Wait, is it moving the sun? I don't know. Let's launch it at Saturn. Saturn, you getting anything? I don't see anything. That's a fire beam, I'm guessing. I'm just gonna keep her on the sun. Wait a second. Is the sun getting bigger? Let's just check it. It is getting bigger. Okay. It means if I do the ice one, it's gonna get freeze. If I get small, I just figure it out. Okay. I like it and I also don't like it for a F reason. Son, can you just not just stay right here for a moment? Could you stop? So I'm just gonna make it big. How big can the sun go? I don't know. Why is it turning blue? Is it supposed to run blue? Wait a second. How much the sun can get bigger? Is it still getting bigger? I believe. Yep, it's still getting bigger. Okay. So I was thinking that... Shut up. If we launch a freeze ray at the sun, I guess like this is a freeze ray. I mean, I don't know what to do with that anymore. Is it gonna get smaller? Okay, it's getting smaller. Let's see how small can it get. Can it get so small that? Ooh, I might want to do that. And what happened to Sadner? Why does it look like that? I don't know. Don't know, man. And a fun fact. If you don't know it, if you overheat anything, not everything, if you overheat the sun or sun that overheated or anything that overheated, it is gonna turn blue. Fun fact. You know what? You like it? I just told you a fun fact. It is overheated. If anything gets way too overheated, when I mean overheated, way too overheated, I really mean it. So it's gonna turn blue. So what if I just stop my little sun right there and just freeze it? It's only gonna stay small. And it's getting smaller, and I can barely see it because of my finger. Is it small yet? Are you done, son? No? You wanna keep going? I can keep going for you, no? Is it done? Is that the maximum? And why is it red? Okay, I am a confused man right now. I'm just gonna destroy Earth. You be gone, boy. Be gone, back. I'm just gonna launch that. You know where I'm gonna launch. Okay, just went away. I will see you back in solar. So I'm back at Planet Smash. Wait a sec, what? What? I have nothing. Wait a second, what? I have nothing equipped. Why is there so many black holes when I tap? Yeah, you can say I don't even have a black hole. What? Is this a game glitch or I'm just a... What? I don't know, dude. He set a freaking planet. I didn't mean to do that. So, what is this guy? I think I'm gonna leave them for the next episode. If you wanna see another episode, just leave a like. And I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.